Welcome back to the channel. You are tuned into Never Done Projects, where we never stop having fun, and we never stop making our cars faster. If you enjoy burnouts, you're in the right place! Let's go.
Well, good morning, everybody. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. Today is Friday, February the 27th, 2026. Let's see, I didn't change this. Sorry, I may be wrong on this because I didn't know he had started it. But 42 days to burn out rivals at the Freedom Factory, April the 10th, 10th and 11th. So we got a lot to do. Like I said, I just cleaned this side of the board and wrote up. I didn't even realize he had started it. Thank you, Randy, for getting that started on it. We do need to get it going so we keep it in our mind. 42 days. First thing I'm going to do this morning, I've already had to get up and run to town and take care of some business, but I got back here. I've already drank my coffee. I messaged some people. We're trying to get this trailer fixed. I do not want to spend this money I'm fixing to spend because I know it's just a temporary thing. But by buying the ramps, this person has these ramps that's 15 foot long. It's going to do two things. If I go, I'm going to look at these ramps. If they'll do what I want to do for now, it will buy me some time. That's all it's going to do, because I do want the door on, my ramp on the back of the trailer. I want to build it. I want to buy a welder and do it myself the way I want it. I got it in my head. I got to design it and the way I want it to lay down and lift the cars up. But if I buy these ramps, two things can happen. One, I can test fit the cars in there. Two, tomorrow is Saturday the 28th, and they are having something at Caraway. So if I get these ramps today, I can technically put the cars on that trailer tomorrow and go to Caraway and see how it's going to work. So I'm going to go look at these ramps, and if we can just come up on a price, then I'm going to buy the ramps, and then I can, I'm not one to buy stuff and get ready and sell it, but if I can get them and I can't make it into the door, then I'll sell them or keep them for the other trailer. It just depends. And heck, you never know. I may run it up and make it a lift. I don't know. But anyway, I'll go look at the ramps, try to purchase the ramps, and then I can at least pull the cars up on the 53-foot trailer, see how it's going to be. While I'm out going to get the ramps, if I can get there and everything works out, I'll run back by the barn and I'll pick up the 2x4s I need to build the structure for the shower and the bathroom in the trailer. I get back here, I need to work on Vivo. I need to change a tire out that's got that's got the screw in it. And I think what I'm going to do is run it up on a block and try to just take that tire off and put our spare tire back on and not take it off the truck. If I can do that and pump that tire back up, then we will order a new one before we go to Florida. That way I got a new tire. I really don't want to run that tire all the way to Florida, so I might as well just go ahead and switch the other tire on it, the extra one we had, because we bought two new ones for the front of the truck. So I'd like to switch that tire out. So that part of it, because I'm wanting to move it around and I don't need to be making sharp turns with that tire flat. So I need to fix the tire on Vivo. It sounds like it's raining. I don't need the rain. I need it to go away. Let me get my stuff going. If I can get that going, I need to set the trailer. Randy and I talked today. I think I found figured out a way to move some stuff around, and I can set the trailer in front of the paint booth, and we can work on it there. I think I'm gonna pull the boat out and put the boat over there where we moved all those tires and back straight up to the paint booth, and then I can set the wood, the table saw and the chop saw. I can set it up in the paint booth, and we can, because a lot of the wood is in the paint booth, so we can actually shiplap it and cut it down and just lay it right on the trailer. So that will be a system that we can work out, and it's not in our way down here. And tonight is Friday, steak night. It seems that we've kind of got it on a little schedule of me and Randy and Justin's been going to steak night every Friday. I don't know if, I think Justin said he may go to Charlotte, so I don't know if he's coming tonight or not. But if he is, we'll go to steak night. Well, if he don't, Randy and I'll probably still go. At least I'm eating one good time during the week. And then at 6 p.m. live and the videos. So that's kind of what I got going. I told the person about the ramps. I'd let them know when I start to leave here, so I can go hook the trailer up. They're 15 foot, so I can't take just a truck with an 8-foot bed, and I can't take my small trailer. There'll be too much hanging out, so I'm just gonna take the low boy trailer, and if I get them, put them on it, and then I can also swing back by and get the 2x4s on that trailer, and because I think the 2x4s are 16 foot also, I think. But anyway, that's what I got going on today. Remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be safe and be happy. And thank you, Nick Capone, but do something today that you can smile about tomorrow. That's what I'm trying to do, so I can be a little more happy. I can't stand this cold weather. It gets me depressed. I'm ready for some pretty weather. I'm ready to get back to wide open. So anyway, y'all have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this, and remember, keep it silly. Thank y'all.